Hello, welcome to a CapCut tutorial on how to add an underlay. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then, okay, now let's say we just have a video that we want to add a underlay to. So I have this in vertical, and I want to get rid of this black by adding some thing underneath it, right? I could copy my video, paste it, put the same video like underneath it like so, and then take the bottom one and scale it up so it's zoomed in, and then maybe I can add like a blur effect to the background like so, and then now I've essentially created an underlay for my vertical video. And you can do this for unvertical videos or whatever other video you kind of want. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been a CapCut tutorial. Thank you.